Hi Scholar, welcome to Post Scholar's channel. I want to believe something inspired or triggered you to watch this video. Don't worry, what you seek for, you will definitely find it. Stick with me. So the title of this video is Number-Based Problem, right? And we are going to solve just a question. The question says evaluate 20 base 3 or raised to power 2 minus 11 base 3 or raised to power 2 in base 3. That means we are going to evaluate this and our answer is going to be in base 3. Now, let's solve. Solution. So before we solve, we'll write down the question. The question says 20 base 3 all squared minus 11 base 3 all squared. Now, looking at this problem, you agree with me that is mimicking a problem or an identity called difference of two squared. This identity says x squared minus y squared is equal to x minus y and what? X plus y, the product of x minus y and x plus y. That's what difference of two squares says. Now, if you check the concept, x is squared, this s is squared, this y is squared, and in between them is a negative symbol. So that's why it's called difference of two squared. Now, whenever you have this identity, by default, you should know that it's equals to s minus y, x plus y, right? Same thing, if I change the letters now to m, right? If I say m square minus n square, automatically it will become what? M minus n and what? M plus n, right? So we are going to use that concept to solve this question, right? Now, to solve this, we'll simply expand this. And when we expand this, it becomes, this problem becomes 20 base 3 minus 11 base 3 product multiplying 20 base 3 plus 11 base 3. Can you see it? So that's basically the trick. Trick there is to actually use the concept of difference of two square. Now we can solve this independently, then combine them, right? It says 20 base 3 minus 11 base 3. We'll solve it. Then in between them is multiplication, right? Product. Then 20 base 3 again plus 11 base 3. Now let's solve for the first one. The first one says 20 base 3 minus 1 is 3. Now let's solve for this first one. I taught you how to subtract a number base. You can check my videos. Now 0 minus 1 is impossible. You borrow 1 from 2, it's left with 1. The one that you borrowed from 2 takes the value of 3. So you add it to this 0, it becomes 3. Now you can subtract. 3 minus 1 gives 2. Then lastly, 1 minus 1 gives 0. So there's no need to put it because it's insignificant. So the final answer here is 2 base 3. Now we have solved for this part, right? We have solved for this part. Now let's solve for this part. So you have 20 base 3. This time around is addition plus 1 base what? 3. So let's quickly add 0 plus 1, 1. So write our 1. You can see it has not exceeded the base, which is 3. We don't have issue. 2 plus 1, that's what? 3. But you can't write 3 because the base is 3. That's the principle of number base. So you say 3 in 3. So you are dividing this 3 by the base. You are dividing this 3 by the base. Now, how many 3 can you find in 3? That's 1 remainder 0. Is that not so? So you write down the remainder. You write down the remainder here, and you carry the 1. So it becomes 0 and 1, right? Now, you are not done. What do you do next? You have to multiply. We have simplified this and we have simplified this. Next, we have to multiply them. That means we are multiplying 2 base 3 times what? 101 base 3. So let's do that. 101 base 3 times 2. So let's do that. Multiplication. So let's go. 2 times 1 gives 2. 2 times 0 gives 0. And 2 times 1 gives 2. So this is our final answer, base 3. Definitely, we can say from the question that 203 all squared minus 11 base 3 all squared is equal to 202 base 3. You can see the major concept to solve this problem is your difference of 2 squared. Now we have come to the end of this video and I hope it is well understood. Thanks for watching and I wish you to see you in my next video. Bye.